Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 7th English grammar textbook chapter 9 and that is there and it. We use there in a place of a subject plus be in a suitable tense form when we talk about a things for the first time. We want to say that something is exit. We usually use there as a dummy subject with a noun phrase and the verb be. It is often used to introduce new information or say that something exit. Now, here's the exercise 9.1. So, let's start this exercise. Question number first, add the correct form of there plus be to the following. First, dash 7 days in a week. And the correct answer is there are. My dear student, we use there plus verb is, are, am, was, were, has, have, been, will be. We can use it. Second, dash many accidents in this street and the answer is there has been. We use there also when we talk about something exit and in a suitable tense. Third, dash a lot of visitors this morning and the answer is there were. Fourth, there is a good film on at the Odeon. Fifth, there was only a footpath here last year. Sixth, there will be and you can fill also there is. There is a party in our house tomorrow. Seventh, look, there is a new moon in the sky. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your book. Now question number second, complete each sentence any way you like. You can write your own sentence which you like most. First, there is and the answer is a table in the room. Second, there is not a table in the room. Third, is there a table in the room? Question mark. Fourth, is not there is a table in the room. Fifth, there are 10 desks in the class. You can also say there are 10 chairs in the class. 6. There are not 10 desks in the class. 7. Are there 10 desks in the class? 8. Are not there 10 desks in the class? 9. There was a clock on the wall. 10. There was not a clock on the wall. 11. Was there a clock on the wall? 12. Wasn't there a clock on the wall? 13. There were pictures in the hall. 14. There were not pictures in the hall. 15. Were there pictures in the hall? 16. Weren't there pictures in the hall? 17. There will be a holiday tomorrow. 18. There won't be a holiday tomorrow. 19. Will there be a holiday tomorrow? 20. Won't there be a holiday tomorrow? My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your notebook. Now, we have a question number third of this exercise. Fill in the blanks with one of the following. We have a clues. In clues, there is not, is there are not, are there. And we can choose right one and fill the blanks. First, dash 12 months in years. And the correct answer is there are. Second, look dash an aeroplane in the sky and the answer is there is because there is only one aeroplane in the sky. Third, dash any old buildings in Chandigarh and the answer is there are not. Fourth, how many students dash in your class and the answer is are there. Fifth, there is not any problem here, everything is okay. Sixth, excuse me, is there a post office near here? My dear student, do these questions in your book. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with one of the following. My dear student, in this question, we use past tense and we also use past tense helping verb was, were in positive way and also in a negative way. First, dash any letters for me yesterday. And the answer is were there any letters for me yesterday? Second, I was hungry but dash anything to eat and the answer is there was not. Third, dash a lot of traffic and I became late and the answer is there was a lot of traffic and I became late. Fourth, was there a football match on TV last night and at last we use question mark. Fifth, Some years ago, dash many tigers in our forest, and the answer is there were. 6. I saw some boys in the park but dash any girls, and the answer is there were not. My dear student, do this question in your book. Now, question number 5th. Nakodar is a small town in Punjab. Look at the information in the box. First, a girls' college, yes. Any good school? Yes. 5. A public garden? No. Any restaurant? Yes, a lot. Any big hotels? No. A sports stadium? No. Any cinemas? Yes, 2 cinemas are there. A hospital? Question mark. So, we can write the answer according to these informations. The first one is a girls' college. In the answer we have yes. So, the question is there a girls' college? And the answer is yes, there is a girls' college. Second, are there any good school? Yes, there are 5 good school. My dear student, if you notice in bracket, we have give yes and also in bracket we have give the 5. It means there are 5 good school in Punjab. Is there a public garden? No, there is no public garden. Fourth, are there any restaurant? Yes, there are a lot of restaurant. Fifth, are there any big hotels? No, there are no big hotels. 6. Is there a sports stadium? No, there is no sports stadium. And you can also write like this. No, there is not a sports stadium. 7. Are there any cinemas? Yes, there are 2 cinemas. 8. Is there a hospital? Yes, there is a hospital. My dear student, you can do these questions in your notebook. Now, we have exercise 9.2. Before do this exercise, let me clear one thing. Use of it. We use it in a place of subject plus be in a suitable tense form also. We use it when we talk about the time, date, weather, distance, and to introduce a complex subject, usually a phrase with 2 infinitive. My dear student, we use it for the weather and the similar conditions also, like it is cold, it is raining, it is very warm today. It would sound clumsy to begin this sentence with the real subject like to disobey, your elders is wrong, to guess, her age was impossible, to read this book will be useful. My dear student, in the sentences with introductory, there the verb can be a singular or plural according to the real subject, but with introductory the verb has to be singular only. When we talk about the use of there, we have the singular or plural verb according to the real subject, but when we talk about the use of it, we have the introductory verb only single. So let's start this exercise. Question number first, add the correct form of it plus be to the following. First, dash a long time ago, and the answer is it was. We use what because ago means in a previous time, so we take was. Second, dash fine tomorrow I think. It refers the future tense, so we take it will be fine tomorrow I think. Third, dash not very far from here, and the answer is it is. Fourth, dash very pleasant last night, and the answer is it was. Fifth, dash raining for 3 hours now, and the answer is it has been. Sixth, dash crueler to beat a dog like that, and the answer is it is. Seventh, dash lovely to go for picnic tomorrow, and the correct answer is it will be. Eighth, dash are wonderful to see you again next time, and the answer is it will be. Ninth, dash stupid not to go to his party yesterday, and the answer is it was stupid not to go to his party yesterday. 10th, dash a great day when she passes the exam, and the answer is it will be. My dear student, do these questions in your book. Now question number 2, write questions with how far. My dear student, in these questions we use how far. First, Ambala, Delhi, and the answer is how far is it from Ambala to Delhi. Second, here the station, how far is it from here to the station? At last we add question mark. Third, your house, the airport, how far is it your house to the airport? Fourth, the hotel, the rose garden, How far is it from the hotel to the rose garden? My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number 3. Put in it is or is it. We have to put it is and is it according to this sentence. First, what time dash now? And the correct answer is 8. Second, dash 6:30 by my watch. And the answer is it is 6:30 by my watch. Third, dash Nancy birthday today. Is it Nancy birthday today? Fourth, dash useful to do this exercise. And the answer is it is. Fifth, go to bed now. Dash past midnight. And the answer is it is. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and it is very easy. So, I know you can do it very well and do this question in your book. Question number 4. Put in it or there. In this question, we put it or there. First, is dash any milk in the fridge? And the answer is there. Second, does dash rain a lot in August? And the answer is 8. Third, will dash be difficult to reach there? And the answer is 8. Fourth, had dash been any problem with him? And the correct answer is there. Fifth, was dash a magic show at your school? And the answer is there. Sixth, are dash any good players in your team? And the answer is there. 7. Was dash raining when you reached home? And the answer is 8. 8. Is dash a long way from here to the bus stop? And the answer is 8. My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number 5. Complete the sentences. Choose items from the box. In the box, we have the different types of sentences and we choose these sentences and we make a sentences by using its and to. So let's start. First one is I like traveling and the correct answer is it is interesting to visit different places. Second, air is everywhere but it is impossible to catch it. Third, hello Madhu, it is nice to see you again. Fourth, a lot of cities are not safe. It is dangerous to go out alone at night. Fifth, if you go to bed late, it is difficult to get up early in the morning. Sixth, the people here are very nice. It is easy to make friends with them. My dear student, do these questions in your notebook. Now, we have question number 6. Add the correct form of there is or it is. First, dash time to go to bed now and the answer is it is. Second, dash says she has again failed and the answer is it is. Third, dash often a rainbow after rain and the answer is there is. Fourth, there is a post office in our place. Fifth, it is a fact that he is a rich man. Sixth, there will be nothing to eat if we are late. Seventh, it was in the market that I saw him. 8. There are many things worse than death. 9. There is beautiful park near our house. 10. It is good thing to be hard working. 11. It is not clear who is responsible for it. 12. It is not true to say that he is my friend. 13. There is a train which leaves at 9 o'clock. 14. There was a man standing here 10 minutes ago. 15. It will be time for you medicine and half an hour. My dear student, do this question in your book. My dear student, that's all about this chapter. I hope you all learned this chapter so well. Thank you so much.